Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can copy and paste parts of another picture in Procreate and move it into another project you might be working on. Or maybe you want to copy the entire picture and move it into another project you're working on. So in Procreate, there are two tools to use this for. So up in the Tools menu where the wrench is, if you go to Add, you'll see Copy and Copy Canvas. And they both work similarly, but they're also very different. Copy Canvas will copy the entire picture you might be working on, all of the layers, combine them into one layer, and paste that into where you're going to paste it, which I'll show you in a minute. Copy will just copy the layer that you're on, not the background, not the other layers, and paste that into a new image as a new layer. So let's see how it works. So I have another picture here of a sphere, and I want to get this sphere into that picture with the square. So if I choose Copy Canvas, it just copied the layer 1, and the background. And I go back to the sphere and I say Paste. If I get my arrow tool, which it selects automatically, and I move it around, you can see the background is there. And it pasted in the background and the layer with the sphere as one layer, as pretty much as a new image. So I can resize it and move it around, but that background is still there. Now, if I want to do that with just the circle or the sphere, I'm going to go back to the sphere again. I can go back in, make sure I'm on that drawing layer. I'm going to say Copy. Go back to where I want to put it in. I'm going to say Paste. Now this time, it just copies the layer. So I don't have the background, so the circle is not filled in anymore, because in the original image, I only had the black outline. But I also don't have the background image either. So if you just want to copy and paste a layer, you just use that copy feature. You don't use Copy Canvas. Now I can go back and do this one other way. If I want to copy multiple layers, maybe I have a bunch of layers in a picture and I want to copy those, but I don't want to have the background color. I want the background to still be transparent. I'm going to turn that background color off. I'm going to say Copy Canvas, go back to the original and paste it. And now I just have the layer or layers that I wanted to copy. So let's do that with a picture that has a bunch of layers in it. So maybe I have, let's do the same thing with this picture of lions. So as you can see, I have a bunch of layers of these lions. I'm going to uncheck this little pattern background, uncheck the real background color, and I just want to get these lions to move over. So all of those layers are checked. I'm going to say Copy Canvas, and I'm just going to dump it into that same image we've been working on. So now I'm going to say Paste, and you'll see only the layers I had selected got pasted, but it did do more than one layer. But when it brings it in as one layer, not the multiple layers that it was in the original image. So that's how you can copy parts of an image, an entire image, layers from one image to another in Procreate. See you next time.